Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these professional PowerPoint slides. First, I want to thank all of you for your support. It's what motivates me to keep making more tutorials like this. Enough talking, let's jump right in. First, delete the current slide and insert a new blank slide. Now go to the Insert tab and bring in your first background picture. Let's crop our image to a 16:9 ratio so it fits the slide perfectly. Select the image, go to the Picture Format tab, and under Crop, change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now click outside the picture to apply it. Let's resize the picture to cover the entire slide. Now we need to add our other pictures based on our topic outline and set every single picture to a 16:9 ratio. Now add your second picture. Go to Format, then change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and click outside. Let's make this picture smaller and place it over here for now. Now add your next pictures and follow the same steps. Make sure you add them in the correct order. Insert the picture, select it, go to the Format tab, and change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Let's make this one smaller as well. I'm going to add the rest of my pictures using these same steps and line them up in a queue. Cropping to a 16:9 ratio keeps every image the same size, which makes things much easier for us. Let's zoom out and place all the pictures in a row like this. Now, let's make every image the same height while keeping equal space between them. Select all the images by holding the Control key. Go to the Format tab and set the picture border to white. This helps the images stand out clearly against every background. Now let's zoom back in. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, select a rectangle, and draw it so it covers half of the slide. This is where we will add our text later. Now select the rectangle, go to the Shape Format tab, and set the Shape Outline to No Outline, and the Shape Fill to Black. Right-click on the rectangle, go to Format Shape, and under Solid Fill, increase the transparency to 50%. Let's add our text now. Go to Insert, select Text Box, draw it, and type your title. Let's increase the font size. Add another text box for the description and type your text there. Let's make this text a little bit smaller. Arrange the text boxes just like this. Now right-click on the slide and select Duplicate. Go to that duplicated slide. Let's zoom out. Select your first background picture and increase its size using the left side handle like this. Now select your next background picture. Go to the Format tab and remove the border by changing Picture Border to No Outline. Bring that picture over and increase its size until it covers the entire slide. Now bring the other small pictures to the front like this. You can now change your text to the new topic. I'm not going to change mine right now, but you definitely should. Now you just need to repeat these same steps for the other slides. Duplicate the slide, zoom out a little bit, and increase the size of the previous background image. Select the next background image, go to Format, and remove its picture border. Move it into place and scale it up to cover the entire slide. After that, bring the other pictures to the front and update your text to match your new topic. Do the same for the remaining slides. As you can see, I have now created 5 slides using that method. Now for the final step, we have to add the morph transition to every slide. Done. Let's see the slideshow. This is perfect. I'm sure this will really impress your teacher. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you next time.